15 miles per hour. Warning for inner and outer Saginaw Bay until 2:45 p.m. At 1:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Pinconning to 8 nautical miles south of Linwood, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near the mouth of the Saginaw River and Bay City Liberty Harbor around 1:35 p.m. Quantities around 1:50 p.m. Gravelly shoals around 1:55 p.m. Seaver wing around 2:10 p.m. Bayport around 2:15 p.m. Kaysville around 2:25 p.m. Port Austin around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by severe thunderstorms include Bayport. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. To 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers until midday, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA. All hazardous radio stations, KIH 29. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm system. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we will postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We will activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device.
Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KZZ 33.